Here's my guy Sam, handsome guy. No. He is looking for earn money from YouTube, so he searched that on YouTube. He suddenly see new strategy called YouTube automation. And he see a lot of YouTubers making money with that. So he's searching for YouTube automation for beginners. He found lots of videos, but most of them are fake. So then ask me for help. I can recommend 5 channels to study YouTube. Automation 2 and 4 is the most engaged.
vidiq.
The creator attempts to build an AI system that runs a YouTube channel autonomously. This involves tasks like selecting video clips, adding sound effects and animations, and uploading to YouTube. The code is successful in automating the video creation process, but the channel gets shadow banned by YouTube. This means the videos receive almost no views. Despite the disappointing outcome, the creator learns valuable lessons. They discover alternative uses for AI beyond YouTube automation, such as building custom time tracking tools for creative software. The video concludes with the question, will creators be replaced by AI? The answer is left open, suggesting that AI will likely augment rather than replace human creativity in the future.
Dave Nick.
In viral video ideas. Use AI tools to identify videos that have performed exceptionally well compared to others on the same channel. This can help you target content with high viewer potential. Promote software with recurring commissions. Focus on promoting software with affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions, meaning you earn money every month someone signs up through your link. Create faceless videos. Showcase the software or tool you're promoting through screen recordings and voiceovers, eliminating the need to appear on camera. Optimize for search. Use targeted keywords and titles in your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results and attract organic traffic. Get instantly monetized. While reaching YouTube's monetization requirements takes time, alternative services can instantly connect your channel with ad revenue.
Digital income project.
This video is about how to make YouTube videos using AI. The speaker, who runs a YouTube channel with over 65,000 subscribers, uses an AI tool called InVideo to create his videos. InVideo can be used to create videos on any topic, but the speaker recommends that you choose a topic that is trending. He also recommends that you use a British accent in your videos, as this is the accent that is most commonly used by F1 commentators. Once you have chosen a topic and written a script, you can use InVideo to generate a video for you. InVideo will find stock footage and music for your video, and it will also narrate the video for you. You can edit the video after it has been generated, and you can also add a title and tags.
Yuri Van Half Vegan.
The speaker says that he makes $20 per month from his YouTube channel, but he says that it is possible to make much more money than that if you have a popular channel. He recommends that you niche down and focus on a specific topic, and he also recommends that you use AI to create your videos. Overall, this video is a good overview of how to make YouTube videos using AI. The speaker is clear and concise, and he provides a lot of helpful tips. If you are interested in making YouTube videos, I recommend that you watch this video.
Think Media.
Take let the low view count fool you. Trevor's YouTube channel is a money-making machine. How? By exploiting the power of YouTube search, not views. Here's the breakdown. Search Master. Trevor's videos rank high for specific keywords like how to recover Instagram password. People searching for solutions find his videos, racking up millions of views. Volume game. Quantity trumps quality. With over 5,000 videos, Trevor increases his chances of ranking for more keywords, bringing in consistent views and ad revenue. Search-based versus audience-based. Unlike channels focused on a dedicated audience, Trevor's content caters to search queries, not loyal viewers. New uploads might get low views, but the overall strategy drives massive traffic. So that's it. Comment which one is the best channel.